Next transition metal compound is potassium permanganate, and it will having this formula. First of all, preparation of potassium permanganate from manganese dioxide. Potassium permanganate is prepared on fusing manganese dioxide with potassium hydroxide or potassium dichromate in the presence of atmospheric air or another oxidizing agent such as potassium nitrate. So first of all, a green colored fused masked potassium magnet will get formed. Now this fused mass is extracted with water and heated with current of ozone, then chlorine in CO2. When potassium magnet is oxidized to potassium permanganate, the purple solution thus obtained is concentrated when it deposits dark purple needle-like crystal having metallic luster. For industrial preparation, the potassium permanganate, the mineral pyrolusite is used instead of manganese dioxide. So it is the first method from manganese dioxide. Then second method, it is electrolytic oxidation process. Nowadays, potassium permanganate is largely manufactured by electrolytic oxidation of magnet. In this case, the magnet solution is placed in electrolytic cell provided with a rotating nickel wire netting which will act as an anode, and an inlet pipe made up of iron for liquor which can act as a cathode. The oxygen liberated at anode converted magnet into permanganate. So this one is the reaction that will take place at anode. Then hydrogen is evolved in the cathode compartment, and it will uptake 2 electrons and get converted into hydrogen gas. The purple solution containing potassium permanganate is evaporated under controlled condition when it crystallized out. So these are the method of preparation of potassium permanganate. Then physical property. Potassium permanganate form dark purple needle-like crystal with metallic luster. It is moderately soluble in water, giving purple solutions. Then chemical property. The first one is the action of heat. Oxygen gas is produced on heating potassium permanganate at 473 kelvins. So it will get converted into potassium magnet. And if the potassium permanganate is heated to red heat, then it will further decompose to give more oxygen with the formation of this compound. Then reaction with concentrated sulfuric acid, it will give manganese heptoxide, which further decompose into manganese dioxide and oxygen. When potassium permanganate is warmed gently with concentrated sulfuric acid, it will change into potassium sulfate and manganese sulfate with the evolution of oxygen gas. Potassium permanganate acts as a powerful oxidizing agent in all the three medium: acidic, neutral and alkaline. Its oxidizing power is depend upon the pH of the solution. So first of all, consider the case of the acidic medium. In acidic medium, potassium permanganate, it will generate 5 oxygen. This one is the ionic equation. The total number of electron exchange take place, that is 5. The electrode potential for this reaction is 1.55 volt. So let us consider various example of potassium permanganate in which it will act as a powerful oxidizing agent. It will oxidize oxalic acid to carbon dioxide, hydrochloric acid to chlorine gas, ferrous sulfate to ferric sulfate, hydrogen sulfide to sulfur, formaldehyde to formic acids, potassium halide to iodine, potassium nitrite to potassium nitrate, and potassium sulfite to potassium sulfate. So these are all the reactions in acidic medium. Then in neutral medium, in this case potassium permanganate will generate 3 oxygen. The number of electron exchange, that is 3, and the electrode potential for this reaction, that is 1.23 volt. So let us consider the various example. In neutral medium, it can oxidize hydrogen sulfide to sulfur, manganese sulfate to manganese dioxide, sodium thiosulfate to sodium sulfate. So these all are the reaction in neutral medium. Then in strongly alkaline medium, potassium permanganate in alkaline medium, it will generate 1 nascent oxygen in this case, and number of electron exchange, that is 1. The electrode potential for this reaction, that is 0.56 volt. So let us consider the various example of strongly alkaline medium. In this case, it will oxidize potassium iodide to potassium iodate, ethylene to ethylene glycol, toluene to benzoic acid. So it is all about the various reaction in acidic, alkaline and neutral medium. Then next reaction is Potassium permanganate solution is stable in alkaline or neutral medium when it kept in dark. In acidic media, it will decompose slowly into magnesium dioxide. When concentrated sulfuric acid is added to dry powder of potassium permanganate carefully, it will change into, or it will form, manganese heptaoxide. So these are the chemical properties of potassium permanganate. Then uses of potassium permanganate. It is used as an oxidizing agent in laboratory as well as in industry. In qualitative analysis, it is used for the detection of halite, sulfite and oxalate. In volumetrical estimation, it is used for the detection of ferrous salt, oxalic acid, oxalate, hydrogen peroxide. It is used as disinfectant for surgical instrument, deodorant, for mouth wash, and as a germicide in water. The alkaline solution of potassium permanganate is used in organic chemistry under the name of reagent, Bayer reagent. So these are the uses of potassium permanganate. Then structure of potassium permanganate. Potassium permanganate ion is tetrahedral shape. In this case, all manganese oxygen bond, they are corresponding to 163 picometer, and bond length of oxygen, manganese oxygen bond, that is close to tetrahedral angle 10928. Its orbital structure has 4 manganese oxygen sigma bonds, 3 of which are suspended by pi bonds, each formed by p orbital of oxygen atom and a hybrid orbital of manganese ions. So this one is the resonating form. The next transition metal compound is potassium ferrocyanide. It will having this formula. First of all, the method of preparation of potassium ferrocyanide. The first method is used in the laboratory on the small scale production. In this case, solution of ferrous sulfate is mixed with potassium cyanide. First of all, light green solid iron cyanide will get formed. Then it can re-dissolve in potassium cyanide to get converted into potassium ferrocyanide. Then the solution is evaporated, cooled, and crystal of potassium ferrocyanide is separate out. So these are the ionic equation in this case. The second method involves production on large scale. In this case, potassium ferrocyanide is obtained during the purification of coal gas, which contains 0.3% hydrogen cyanide as impurity. This hydrogen cyanide is passed over hydrated iron oxide, which is a mixture of iron dioxide and iron trioxide. Then this compound is get formed, which is called ferrocyanide, or most commonly porcine blue. Then this ferrocyanide is treated with lime water and it will get converted into calcium ferrocyanide, which is soluble in solution. Nowadays, calcium ferricyanide is obtained by reaction with calcium hydroxide, hydrogen cyanide and iron chloride. Then finally this calcium ferrocyanide is extracted with water and then treated with potassium carbonate, and finally potassium ferrocyanide is obtained. So these are the method of preparation of potassium ferrocyanide. Then physical properties. Potassium ferrocyanide is yellow crystalline substance which is associated with 3 molecules of water of crystallization, and it will having this formula. Then chemical properties. The first one is the action of heat. Potassium ferrocyanide, when heated to 373 Kelvin, then it can lose these trihydrate to form the white hygroscopic powder, and if it is heated above this temperature, then it will decompose to potassium cyanide with the evolution of nitrogen gas. Then action of sulfuric acid with dilute sulfuric acid. It will change into this compound with the evolution of hydrogen cyanide, and with concentrated sulfuric acid it produce potassium sulfate, ammonium sulfate and carbon monoxides. Then next reaction with ferric salt, it form porcine blue. Then next reaction with metallic salt with cupric salt, a reddish brown precipitate of cupric ferrocyanide is obtained having this formula. With zinc salt, a white precipitate of zinc ferrocyanide is obtained. Next is the reducing character. Potassium ferrocyanide is act as a reducing agent and is oxidized by strong oxidants such as chlorine, hydrogen peroxide, ozone or acidified potassium permanganate. So in first case it react with chlorines, in second case potassium permanganate, and in third case with ozone. Other properties. It is soluble in water and solution contains ferrocyanide ion only. The ion is stable and it does not give free iron 2 positive and cyanide ion in the solutions. And this is further supported by the fact that it does not precipitate iron hydroxide, iron sulfide with solution of sodium hydroxide and ammonium sulfide. It forms this complex and not silver cyanide with silver nitrate solution. So these facts supported that it does not exist as a free ion in the aqueous solutions. Then uses of potassium ferrocyanide. It is used as a reagent in laboratory for testing iron 3 positive, copper 2 positive and zinc 2 positive. It is used for making blueprints. It finds application in manufacturing of prussine blue pigment. It is used for the preparation of carbon monoxide. Next is the structure of potassium ferrocyanide. The geometry or shape of the ferrocyanide ion is octahedral, in which iron 2 positive lies at the center and 6 cyanide ion occupy 6 corner of the octahedron. So this can be explained on the basis of valence bond theory. So this one is the electronic configuration of iron. The atomic number of iron, that is 26. In ground state it will having 6 electron in 3d orbital and 2 electron in 4s orbital. For iron 2 positive, it can lose these 2 electron from 4s orbital. So this one is the electronic configuration for iron 2 positive in ground state. In order to accommodate 6 electron pair donated by 6 cyanide ligand, there should be the requirement of 6 vacant orbital. So in order to achieve this, these 2 electrons, they are shifted to these orbital so that pairing of electron will take place, and finally these 6 orbitals, in which 2 orbital are 3d, 1 orbital is 4s and 3 orbital is 4p, involved in D2 sp3 hybridization. So it is according to the valence bond theory. The resulting complex ion in this case is inner orbitals and having diamagnetic character due to the absence of unpaired electrons. So it is all about the structure of potassium ferrocyanide.